Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm super excited to dive into the basics of Forex trading. We'll be covering 3 simple techniques that are perfect for beginners to get started. So, if you've been thinking about stepping into the world of Forex, you're in the right place. Before we jump into the techniques, let's quickly go over what Forex trading is. Forex, or foreign exchange trading, is the process of buying and selling currency pairs, like the euro versus the US dollar, EUR/USD. The goal? To make a profit from the fluctuations in currency prices. Sounds simple, right? But it takes practice and the right strategies. The first technique is the trend following strategy. It's one of the easiest ways for beginners to start. The idea is simple. Trade in the direction of the trend. If a currency pair is trending upwards, you buy, and if it's trending downwards, you sell. Here's how you can do it. Start by identifying a trend on the chart using tools like moving averages. A 50-day moving average is a great starting point. When the price is above the average, it indicates an uptrend, and when it's below, a downtrend. Remember, the trend is your friend until the end, so ride it out and avoid trading against it. Next, let's talk about support and resistance. This technique helps you identify key price levels where the market tends to reverse or stall. Support is a price level where the currency tends to stop falling and start rising, while resistance is where it tends to stop rising and start falling. Mark these levels on your chart and look for trading opportunities when the price hits them. When the price bounces off support, it's often a good signal to buy, and when it hits resistance, you might want to sell. Easy, right? Last but definitely not least, let's talk about risk management, specifically using stop-loss orders. This is crucial because, let's face it, no one wins every trade. A stop-loss order is a preset order that closes your trade automatically when the price moves against you by a certain amount. It's like an insurance policy for your trade. Always set a stop-loss to limit your potential losses. Setting a stop-loss protects your capital, and trust me, it's a lifesaver for beginners. Always manage your risk before you think about your profits. So there you have it. 3 simple Forex trading techniques for beginners. Trend following, support, and resistance. And of course, risk management with stop-loss orders. Start by practicing these strategies on a demo account so you can learn the ropes without risking real money. And remember, trading is a journey. Take it one step at a time and you'll see progress. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beginner-friendly Forex tips and strategies. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.